Hi, my name is Ahmad Bhatti. I am a certified Salesforce administrator and a management accountant with valuable experience in developing and implementing Salesforce CPQ solutions. Salesforce CPQ Series Episode 1, A Brief History of Salesforce and CPQ. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that provides businesses with tools to manage their relationships with customers, partners, and prospects. It is widely used by companies of all sizes to streamline sales, service, marketing, and other customer-centric activities. Founding and early years, 1999 to 2003. 1999. Salesforce was founded by Mark Benioff, Parker Harris, Dave Moellenhoff, and Frank Dominguez in a small San Francisco apartment. Mark Benioff, a former Oracle executive, envisioned a CRM platform delivered entirely online as a service, breaking away from the traditional on-premise software model. 2000. Salesforce officially launched its first product, a web-based CRM tool, introducing the concept of software as a service, SaaS. The company's tagline, "No Software," emphasized its cloud-based approach, contrasting it with traditional software. 2001. Salesforce began to gain significant traction in the market, reaching 3,000 customers and 50,000 users. It also hosted its first Dreamforce conference, which has since become one of the largest tech conferences globally. Growth and innovation, 2004 to 2010. 2004. Salesforce went public on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol CRM, raising $110 million. This period marked the company's rapid growth as it expanded its customer base and product offerings. 2005. The company introduced the App Exchange, a marketplace for third-party applications that extends Salesforce's functionality. This move was significant in building a large ecosystem around Salesforce. 2006. Salesforce launched the Apex programming language, allowing developers to write custom code on the Salesforce platform, further enhancing customization capabilities. 2007. The introduction of the Visualforce framework enabled developers to create sophisticated user interfaces for Salesforce applications. Expansion and dominance, 2011 to 2016. 2011. Salesforce acquired Radian6, a social media monitoring platform, signaling its move into social media and marketing. It also introduced the concept of the social enterprise, focusing on social media integration within CRM. 2012. The acquisition of Buddy Media strengthened Salesforce's position in the social marketing space. The company also launched Salesforce Chatter, an enterprise social network for business communication and collaboration. 2013. Salesforce unveiled Salesforce One, a mobile-first platform that allowed businesses to manage their operations from any device, emphasizing mobility. 2015. The launch of the Salesforce Lightning experience marked a significant overhaul of the user interface, focusing on a modern, dynamic experience. This period also saw the introduction of Salesforce Einstein, an AI platform integrated into the Salesforce ecosystem to provide predictive analytics and insights. Diversification and strategic acquisitions. MuleSoft in 2018. Salesforce completed the acquisition of MuleSoft, a platform for building application networks, for $6.5 billion. This acquisition strengthened Salesforce's integration capabilities, allowing customers to connect various systems and applications. Tableau in 2019. Salesforce acquired Tableau, a leading data visualization and analytics company, for $15.7 billion. This move significantly enhanced Salesforce's analytics capabilities and solidified its position in the data analytics space. Slack in 2020. Salesforce announced its acquisition of Slack, a workplace communication platform, for $27.7 billion. This acquisition aimed to enhance Salesforce's collaboration tools, especially in the context of remote work due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Salesforce officially completed the Slack acquisition and began integrating it into its broader ecosystem, positioning Slack as the interface for Salesforce's Customer 360 platform. AI in 2022 to 2024. Salesforce continues to innovate with enhancements to its AI-powered Salesforce Einstein, deeper integrations with Slack, and expanding its industry-specific solutions. The company maintains its leadership in the CRM space, serving a vast array of industries with tailored solutions. Current focus. Salesforce is now focused on expanding its offerings through AI, automation, and data integration, with a strong emphasis on customer-centric digital transformation. The company's Customer 360 platform aims to provide a holistic view of customers across all touchpoints, supported by its growing ecosystem of products and services. Salesforce's journey from a small startup to a global leader in cloud computing and CRM has been marked by continuous innovation, strategic acquisitions, and a strong focus on customer success. Benefits of Salesforce. Scalability. Salesforce can grow with your business, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. Customizability. The platform is highly customizable, allowing businesses to tailor it to their specific needs. Cloud-based. Being cloud-based, Salesforce is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, providing flexibility for remote work. Integration. Salesforce integrates with a wide range of other business tools and applications, making it a central hub for managing customer data. Continuous innovation. Salesforce regularly updates its platform with new features and enhancements, ensuring that businesses have access to the latest technology. Salesforce products by role. Small business. Help small businesses sell smarter and support faster in a single app. Sales. Connect teams, close more deals, and streamline your entire sales process. Service. Manage customer support cases faster across every channel. Marketing. Easily build, optimize, and personalize campaigns and journeys. Commerce. Engage buyers online and in-store with B2C and B2B commerce. Artificial intelligence. Create customizable, predictive, and generative AI experiences to fit all your business needs safely. Data Cloud. Unlock trapped data with the only data platform native to the world's #1 AI CRM. Einstein One Platform. Unify your data, AI, CRM, development, and security into a single, comprehensive platform. Power productivity, automate work, and connect with customers. Tableau. Get powerful insights from any data, anytime, anywhere. MuleSoft. Connect any app, data, or device, in the cloud or on premises. Net Zero. Go net zero now with the #1 sustainability management platform. Customer success. Choose the right level of support and expert guidance for your business. Heritage. Build scalable apps on a cloud-native platform made for developers. Salesforce products by industry. Automotive. Drive unified customer, vehicle, and retail experiences. Communications. Power simple, omnichannel B2B, B2C, and wholesale experiences. Construction and real estate. Achieve operational excellence. Consumer goods. Accelerate growth from planning to execution. Education. Elevate the education experience. Energy and utilities. Reimagine energy and utility sales and service. Financial services. Unlock the most valuable currency, customer trust. Healthcare and life sciences. Build stronger patient and member relationships on a connected platform. Manufacturing. Deliver transparency across your ecosystem. Media. Rapidly design, launch, and monetize media experiences from anywhere. Nonprofit. Build relationships that drive change. Professional services. Increase client trust. Public sector. Modernize the constituent experience. Find a simple, unified solution for collaboration, planning, execution, and business growth. Technology. Drive cost-efficient growth with intelligent automated processes. Travel, transportation, and hospitality. Deliver connected experiences. CPQ origin. 1990s. The concept of CPQ software emerged to address the complex needs of companies with customizable products and services. Initially, CPQ solutions were offered by independent software vendors to help sales teams configure products, apply pricing rules, and generate quotes accurately. 2000s. As cloud computing gained traction, CPQ solutions began transitioning to cloud-based platforms, allowing companies to access CPQ functionalities over the internet without the need for on-premises installations. SteelBrick, a leading CPQ solution. In 2009, SteelBrick, a startup founded by Goddard Abel, became a significant player in the CPQ market. SteelBrick focused on providing a cloud-based CPQ solution that was easy to implement and could be quickly integrated with existing CRM systems, especially Salesforce. 2010 to 2014. SteelBrick gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and strong integration with Salesforce. It became a preferred CPQ solution for many small and medium-sized businesses looking for an affordable and scalable option. Salesforce acquires SteelBrick. 2015, recognizing the growing importance of CPQ software and the strategic value of integrating it into its CRM ecosystem, Salesforce acquired SteelBrick for approximately $360 million. This acquisition allowed Salesforce to offer a native CPQ solution that seamlessly integrated with its platform, enhancing the sales automation capabilities for its users. Evolution and integration. 2016-present. Post-acquisition, Salesforce rebranded SteelBrick as Salesforce CPQ and invested in further development and integration of the solution. Salesforce CPQ became a key component of the Salesforce Sales Cloud, enabling sales teams to efficiently configure products, manage pricing, and generate accurate quotes within the Salesforce platform. Evolution and integration. Ongoing development. Salesforce CPQ continues to evolve with regular updates, enhanced features, and deeper integrations with other Salesforce products, such as Billing and Revenue Cloud. It also leverages Salesforce's artificial intelligence, AI, and automation tools to provide more intelligent and streamlined quoting processes. Impact on the market. Salesforce CPQ has become one of the leading CPQ solutions in the market, particularly popular among companies already using Salesforce for CRM. It has helped businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, to improve their sales efficiency, reduce errors, and close deals faster. Challenges and processes before CPQ. Before the advent of CPQ, configure, price, quote, software, companies typically manage their sales processes using a combination of manual methods, spreadsheets, and legacy systems. These methods were often inefficient, prone to errors, and lacked the automation and integration that modern CPQ systems provide. Here's how companies generally operated before CPQ. Manual configuration. Product customization. Sales teams often relied on product catalogs, price books, and product managers to configure complex products or services. This process was manual, requiring salespeople to have a deep understanding of the product offerings to accurately configure them based on customer needs. Complexity management. For highly configurable products, this could involve looking through multiple documents or consulting with engineering teams to ensure that the chosen components were compatible, leading to time-consuming back-and-forth communication. Pricing. Standard pricing models. Companies usually had fixed price lists, which were referenced in physical or digital catalogs. Any deviations from the standard pricing, such as discounts or special pricing, were manually calculated by sales teams, often leading to inconsistencies and errors. Discount approvals. If a salesperson wanted to offer a discount or special pricing, they typically had to get approval from a manager or finance team. This approval process was often slow, involving email chains or physical paperwork, which delayed the sales cycle. Quoting. Spreadsheet-based quotes. Sales teams frequently used spreadsheets to generate quotes. They manually entered the configured product details, applied pricing, and calculated totals, including taxes and discounts. Error-prone process. This manual process was prone to errors, such as incorrect pricing, missing components, or miscalculations, leading to inaccurate quotes that could cause problems in the sales cycle. Limited version control. Without centralized systems, tracking changes to quotes was challenging, leading to version control issues where different team members might be working with outdated information. Approval workflows. Manual review. Approval processes were usually conducted via email or in-person meetings. Salespeople had to manually track down the relevant stakeholders to get approvals for non-standard configurations, pricing, or discounts. Delays. These manual approval workflows often resulted in significant delays, especially for large or complex deals that required multiple levels of approval. Order management. Manual order entry. Once a quote was accepted by the customer, sales teams had to manually enter the order into the company's order management or ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, system. This often led to data entry errors and further delays. Disconnected systems. Different systems for CRM, pricing, and order management were often not integrated, requiring manual re-entry of data, which increased the risk of errors and created inefficiencies. Impact on sales efficiency. Longer sales cycles. The manual and disjointed nature of these processes often resulted in longer sales cycles. Salespeople spent significant time on administrative tasks, such as creating and revising quotes, getting approvals, and entering orders. Reduced sales accuracy. The likelihood of errors in product configuration, pricing, and quoting was high, leading to issues such as incorrect orders, customer dissatisfaction, and potential loss of revenue. Limited scalability. As companies grew and their product offerings became more complex, these manual processes became increasingly difficult to manage, limiting scalability and the ability to respond quickly to market demands. Transition to CPQ. Emergence of CPQ solutions. The challenges of managing complex sales processes manually led to the development of CPQ software. Early CPQ systems automated many of the manual tasks associated with configuration, pricing, and quoting, reducing errors, speeding up sales cycles, and improving overall efficiency. Integration with CRM. Modern CPQ solutions are typically integrated with CRM systems, allowing sales teams to manage the entire sales process, from lead generation to order fulfillment, within a single, unified platform. This integration enhances data accuracy, streamlines workflows, and provides better visibility into the sales pipeline. Upcoming Episode 2 topics. CPQ installation. Adding a lead tab to the Salesforce front end. Comfy and compact modes. Generating first quote. Generating PDF quote. Applying discount to a quote.